Welcome back to our channel, guys. In this video I'm gonna share you a biggest secret of YouTube, guys. Okay, so a lot of people thinking about if you wanted to earn money in YouTube, you need big amount of subscriber as well as big millions of views. Everybody is thinking, okay, so that's not correct, guys. Okay, without that huge amount of millions of subscribers as well as the views, you can't make money without showing your face also, guys. Okay, I'm gonna share a bigger strategy of making money in YouTube, so don't miss it out, guys. Okay, so without any hesitate, let's get into the video, guys. This is our official Telegram channel, Crypto Tokyo. If you are not joining our channel, just join in our channel, so you will be getting all the updates in our channel. Okay, guys, come back. So today we're gonna see awesome update about our channel. So how you can make money in YouTube without making a video and without huge amount of millions of subscribers and views, guys. Okay, I'll share the secret today, guys. Okay, so this is a channel, guys. Okay, the channel name is, this is a channel Brainidos. Okay, this is a channel. They are, see here, I'll show the videos and all. Okay, so they are not showing your faces and they are creating a trend. Okay, so they are selecting a trend what we can make money with this YouTube. Okay, so they are not showing their face or they are not recording any video, but just they are choosing a secret. Okay, just they are choosing a secret and they are working for that. Okay, this is secret 8 traits of person with the evil heart. Like they are choosing a plan. Okay, how we can make money with this video. They are not showing the face, they are just not doing anything, just they are creating a art, creating a story with that. Okay, creating a story with that passion, and they're making money, guys. Okay, in this channel you can see here, okay, see here 10 million, 9.3 million views and 8.7 million views, 8.3, like that, a lot of millions of views they are earning. Okay, so brand new, this is this big channel, and right now they have, see here, 1.9 million subscribers, just 409 videos. Okay, in the beginning stage also this channel is got a huge amount of response. Why means, before had 1000 subscribers also they're having huge amount of response. Why means they are selected a content, okay, to make the people to understand. Okay, they are selected a content. Okay, see here 10 bad habits that destroy your confidence. Okay, like that, they are not showing the face. Okay, see here, if I'm opening the video. Okay, I'll show you how they are.
Get personal loans up to ₹1 lakh with interest rates starting at 1.5%.
Yeah, guys, see this.
Brainidos presents on this flaw and magnified in your mind until it feels. When you overcome.
Yeah, see here, just they are not showing the face and they are not doing anything. Just they are taking a topic. Okay, they are taking a topic like that. How we can make people better in life. Okay, like that. They're taking a topic and they are developing their content in that. Okay, see here 10 bad habits that destroy your confidence, 11 things smart people don't do. Okay, like this, their topic is making humans better. Okay, making the world better. Like that, they are trying the mind and they are making the video. Okay, they are not showing their face, they are not doing anything, just they are editing the video and they are uploading. That's it. They don't have any particular sentiment in this video, guys. Okay, just they are spending, and see here a lot of 100k, a lot of millions of views also available. See here, like that, they're spending in the secret in the short time itself. They are getting a lot of response in this video and they are uploading every week video. Subscribe for new videos every week. Okay, like that they are doing, guys. Okay, so in the short time itself they are getting a lot of response in this channel. Okay, so we will see another one channel. Okay, another one channel will be Wazirx. Okay, this is another one channel, Wazirx. This is, see here, 751k subscriber, just 42 videos they uploaded, guys. Okay, just 42 videos. See here, I'll show you, guys. Okay, see, within few days itself they'll be getting huge millions amount of subscribers. Why means, this is also like animal sources. Okay, they are not showing the face and they are not spending in editing, just they are taking the videos from some other places, or just they are shooting, not much in this kind of shooting, guys. Just they are taking videos from some other places and just they are editing in their YouTube studio and they are uploading, guys. Okay, so they are not developing much skills in this kind of channel. Okay, So they are just developing in this kind of videos and making better this kind of videos and making big millions of subscriber and views, guys. Okay, see here, I'll show you. See here, 51 million views, 47 million views. Okay, so how much this kind of channel will earn, I'll show you, guys. Okay, while versus, okay, I'll show you how much this kind of channel will. Okay, while versus. Yes, guys, I'm just going on the way. Okay, which channel they are asking? This is a channel. So how much they are earning, I'll show you guys right now. This is a channel, guys, while versus. Okay, so this is 1.8 to 29k dollar they are earning monthly. Okay, so just 1.8 to 29k monthly they are earning, and see here my estimated yearly earnings 21.8k to 348k dollar, guys. That's what they are earning. Okay, so views for the last 30 days, 7.2 million views they got. Okay, so and 15k subscriber for the past 30 days. That much of huge response for this. Just 42 video they uploaded, and the subscriber was 751k. Okay, that much the content will be, you know, they are not showing their face, they are not developing any content, they are just, you know, catching the animal videos and they're uploading. Okay, just they are developing some content in their mind and they are editing the video and uploading. That's what you see here. This much of their earnings will be there available. Okay, so that kind of big promotion for this kind of things, guys. Okay, so like this, you know, without having 1,000 subscribers, without getting millions views, for a beginner itself, you can start a channel and you can make millions of money, guys. Okay, that much big place is this YouTube. So don't miss it out, guys. Okay, these kind of things, if you are not a face shower, or if you are not about to showing your face, or if you are not about to shoot a video, just you can make these kind of things. Okay, you can make more money without just 1,000 subscribers and without millions of views, guys. Okay, this is a huge strategy. Just check it out, guys. If you are new or in YouTube, you can just check it out. Start a new channel and you can make it a huge amount of millions of money in this YouTube, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out. I hope you like this video and made a good strategy in this kind of video, guys. Okay, thank you so much.